It's scalping season, and you're on the block, Bermuda. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Yeah. Fucking Mowing. What's going on, everybody? Hey, I gotta do a quick mow. It is gorgeous outside. It's nice and cool, a little windy, so I don't know how much of this I'm gonna record for you guys because it is crazy windy out there. Dropping temps, which is amazing. I want to mow right now, but here we go. Don't freak out. All right here is not too bad. Maybe able to get my voice. But here is what I'm doing. It's not a complete scalp. It's not down to the lowest setting, but it is down. I mean, look at the difference. Boom and boom. But this is gonna come back real good. This is my last somewhat of a scalp before the end of the season. What is going on, everybody? Hey, it's Sunday. A lot of things have happened since then. Lots of things. So, as you saw before, I scalped my lawn. Well, I'm doing it again because I didn't get a chance the next day to do what I had to do. And plus, the first scalp, I left a lot of green, which I really want to get rid of that. I don't think I'm going to drop my mower anymore. I don't know, we'll see. But lots of things I still got to do today. So I'm mowing the front and the back, and I'm not doing any applications till tomorrow morning. And I'll get that taken care of. But I still have bushes back here to pick up. And that's about half, more than half, because I've already taken the rest and dumped those. So I'll give you guys a look at the lawn as it sits right now. Not too bad, we got some green in there still, but we're gonna get rid of that today. So stick with me, hang tight, and let's see what happens. Now, before I begin, I did drop it another level. I'm gonna find out what my how to cut is on this. All right. All right, guys, as you can see, she is down to 1.5 inches. Looks a little bit lower than that, but it ain't. But about to start on the back, and obviously how to cut's going up on that one because I'm not doing the scalp on that one yet. So, but let's take a look at the front yard. Dead stripes, gotta love it. Dead stripes. Some of you are probably thinking, oh man, is it fall already? Is it winter? What's going on? No, man, it's scalping season, and you're on the block, Bermuda. Raise my how to cut up right here. I'm gonna see what it does on this very tall side piece right here. Alright guys, so there she is. Brought the Husqvarna up from a 2 to a 4, and it took off more than I thought. Which, actually, you know what? I don't mind. I know I said I wasn't going to do this to the backyard this year, but I did. And that's okay. I don't mind. As long as it gets done. And, excuse me while I go through the forest here. So as long as it gets done, I'm happy with that. But let's see if we got any dead stripes going on here. All right, so you saw me go north and south, and then I went east and west. I wanted to get that nice, good cut, double cut, make sure it's all level for the grow in. So all that's left now, guys, is to update you on a few things. Let's update you on a few things. So this spot over here, almost gone, guys. This is really, the only thing that's been on this lawn is some fertilizer and some biostimulants, but last thing I threw down was fertilizer and water. Water really takes care of it, and it's almost gone. Let's look over here, guys. This is where, as you can see, all this right here, all that right there is where I put that sandy loam so the Bermuda could grow in. And then this is where, right up here, is where I put that sod that I got from the back. And it's all filling in real nice. Granted, a lot of weeds, but that's okay. I'm not worried about that. Not worried about, oh geez. Look at that front lawn. Anyway, guys, I better get going. I'm gonna edge around the property and should be done with it. So hang tight. What? What'd you say? You better get out of here, boy. So, just finished up the edging. About to blow everything off. One of these days I'll show you guys my edging. But honestly, it's just with my Echo. It's just with my Echo. I don't even know whose kid this is. Get off my lawn. Get off. What'd you say? You better get off my lawn, boy. You better get off my lawn. You better get off my lawn. The edging is looking amazing, and I'll show you guys. You can criticize me.
Get off my lawn.
But the edging looks really good, and I'm about to blow it all off, and I'll be done for the day. And then I'm gonna go spank this guy. I'm gonna go spank him right here. I'm gonna get my belt, and I'm gonna whoop him. If you got a problem with that, you better unsubscribe from my channel right now. All right, guys. That's it. And now I'm gonna beat my son. Get over her. That's all she wrote, folks. It's all clean. It's all edged. And it's gosh darn good. That's what she is, folks. Hey, get out of here. Now, it is April, whatever. Need time to think. It's hot. It is August 8th, I believe. August 8th. Mark it on your calendars, because August 22nd, 2 weeks. I'm gonna give it 2 weeks. Give it 2 weeks. This lawn is gonna be thick and green. What'd you say? You better tell him sorry, boy. You better tell him sorry. Hey guys, that's all she wrote. I'm about to put everything up and head out. So hey Mason, say like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
That's right. Taking a page of old lawn pusher over there. Push it to the limit, bruh.
And push it through it.
Say push it to the limit.
Push it to the limit. Have a good subscribe.
Hey, real quick, I have a lot more videos out there, so go like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my channel. Check out my other videos. It is not a how-to. It's a how to have fun with your lawn, and I know I do. If you like what I'm doing, go check them out. Hit the like button, subscribe, and that's all she wrote. See you later.